Welcome back to another video. We got B here as well. B. So we wanted to explain to you guys why we've been absent.
Because we ain't doing shit, that's why we just sitting here.
That might be true too. So anyways, want to apologize why we've been absent for you guys and haven't been posting any blogs lately. I don't know if you remember telling you guys we had a shop, but we've been working so hard to try to get the shop ready for you guys and also making more content as well. We did have a couple parts arrived, but we're not going to show you guys yet. B's still waiting for a couple of his stuff for the S15. I am as well, Con as well with the AP2. We got a whole bunch of content waiting, but as soon as the shop get done, we're gonna bring these cars in and start the project for you guys. Anyway, for the meantime, like I said, we want to apologize to you guys and also thank you for tuning in to our channel. Also like, comment, and subscribe to the channel as well. That's B again. I'm Rick. Thank you for tuning in. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll get you guys some update today as well.